Now, the Jamaica Tallowas take on the St. Lucia Kings in the Caribbean Premier League Eliminator on Tuesday at the Providence Stadium in Guyana. The Tallowas secured the final playoff spot on Sunday. More in this report. Similar to when they won the title last year, the Jamaica Tallowas have found themselves needing to win 3 consecutive games to take a second title on the trot. The Jamaican franchise finished 4th following the regular season after thumping wins against the St. Kitts and Nevis Patriots and the St. Lucia Kings over the weekend. Despite toppling the Kings on Sunday, they'll have to overthrow them again on Tuesday to play in the second qualifier on Friday.
We try not to pay attention to what happens before the playoffs. I think last year was a good example. We also finished in a similar position and we had to win 3 games to win the title, and we did. So what really matters is now, obviously the guys will take confidence from the fact that we played against the opposition. We know what they have, and we will have confidence, same as going against the other teams, to be honest.
King added that losing 5 matches on the trot prior to last weekend didn't set off panic bells in the camp.
Definitely there wasn't panic. What we try to do is just play our best cricket every time we go and play a game, and it won't happen every time. Fortunately for us, in the past 2 seasons now, we played our best cricket close to the playoffs, so it's a good sign for us leading into the next game.
Playing in Guyana brings another dimension, that of the heavy dew factor in the evenings, and the King is aware of the potential challenges.
Generally, it does. It influences what you do at the toss. Obviously it's a little harder to bowl second with a wet ball, so it's also usually a good wicket to bat on in the night. So as you say, you expect more high scoring games, so the dew will be a little factor, yes.
The match bowls off at 6 p.m. with the winner playing the loser of the first qualifier between the Guyana Amazon Warriors and the Trinbago Knight Riders.